Let us do the exercise 2.9 third question. If 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus k cube equal to 44,100, then find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k. Okay, so they given the value 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus k cube up to k term. The sum is 44,100. Here they given in cube form, but we need to find out 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k. Okay, so first of all we can write the formula. What you know about the sum of cubes of the numbers 1 to n? What is the formula? We have 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube. Okay, up to n term, it is the formula is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Can you remember this? This is the formula. Now you can write the given. It is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus k cube. We don't know what is the value of k or what is the value of n. Okay, so we are writing it is k cube. Maybe it is equal to n, or it is more than n, or it is less than n. Okay, depending on this variable only we are writing the formula, but given value is it is equal to 44,100. Okay, here first the formula n cube, it is the last term. Here in the given part k cube is the last term. So in the formula right side replace k n by k. Okay, which implies k into k plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square is equal to 44,100. Okay, which implies now we can write this in the square form. 441 is the square of 21. Then we have two zeros. Okay, that means 210 into 210 is the square value, is the value for this 44,100. Okay, so we can write the left side in the same way, k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 210 the whole square. Okay, that you should understand. We cannot learn, we can't by heart this. Already you know, you should know this. 21 into 21 is equal to 441. Okay, then if you put two more zeros in the right, it is a perfect square number. Also you can write this 210 into 210 is equal to 44,100. Okay, if you have any doubt, you factorize this 44,100 using prime number. Okay, when you factorize you can understand the value how it is. That in that way also you can find out. This is a easy method to do. Okay, now you see the left side value and right side value both are equal with the same power. So we can say the base are equal. So k into k plus 1 by 2 equal to 210. Okay, but we know 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, it is the formula for the sum of n natural numbers. The same here, replace n by k. So what do you get? It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k is equal to 210. Okay, that is only we need to find out. We need to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k etc. plus k. That value we got it. Okay, this is the answer now. So we get the answer here. Like the same, the second question from the same exercise 2.9, there they given 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k. We need to find out 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. plus k cube. Okay, the reverse way. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k is given. That means k into k plus 1 by 2 value you will get it. Then you need to find out the square. If you find the square, you will get the value for 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. plus k cube. Okay, so you have to do that as a homework question. We can continue the example 258. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n equal to 666, then find the value of n. Okay, that means for how many terms when you add this, you will get the sum is 666. Okay, see, you know the formula for this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n. What is the formula? Can you say? Yes, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n is equal to n into n plus 1. Okay, it is the formula. What is given? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n is equal to 666. It is given. Okay, so how can we write? Now the left sides are equal, so we can compare the right hand side, which implies n into n plus 1 equal to 666. This n into n plus 1 by 2 is the formula, no? Yes. So n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 666. Okay, now we can cross multiply. So you will get n into n plus 1 equal to, when you multiply the 606 into 2, you will get as 1332. Okay, now you multiply this, change the bracket. So n into n square plus n into 1, it is n plus n. Then you take this number to the left side, then you will get a quadratic equation. We can solve and find the value of n. Okay, so it will change it as minus 1332 equal to 0. Now we can do the product sum method. For this, product is minus 332 minus 1332 and sum is plus 1. Okay, the suitable numbers are 36 and 37, but the product is negative and sum is positive, so the smaller number will give the negative. Okay, then only negative into positive will give us a positive negative product. Since the smaller number is negative, when you subtract, you will get the positive sum. Okay, so this is the suitable factors. So you can write as n minus 36 into n plus 37 equal to 0. So what is the value of n? N equal to 36 or n equal to minus 37. Now you see what is the value of n. It is the term, it is the number of term, also it is the increasing series. Okay, so you will not get the negative number. Understand, it is the number of term, you will not get the negative number. So there is no chance to write the n value is minus 37. So the n value is plus 36. Okay, since the n, the number of term n is positive, answer n equal to 36. Okay, should not choose the negative value minus 37. Okay, let us continue the fifth question. From the exercise 2.9, the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is 2025. Then find the value of n. Okay, sum of the cubes. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. plus first n natural number. So n cube equal to 2025. Find the value of n. Okay, for before writing this about this first line, we can write the formula. What is the formula? We have 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, given. What is given? The sum of the cubes of first n natural number. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube is equal to 2025. Okay, From this we need to find out the value of n. So what is the form? When we are comparing this, left sides are same, so we can write the right side also same. It is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 2025. Can you factorize this number, or if you can you write this number in the square of other number? This, if you know, you write this directly. Actually it is 45 square, otherwise you factorize this. Okay, 2025, you can, if you can by heart, you by heart it, otherwise you factorize and find out the prime using prime number. You factorize and find out the suitable factor, so you will get it is 45 square. That means left side is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 45 square. Okay, so left side and right side values are equal with the same power, so the bases are also equal. So we can write n into n plus 1 by 2 equal to 45. Now we need to find the value of n. So like the previous question, we can cross multiply and find the value of n. It is the procedure. Okay. So which implies n into n plus 1 equal to 90. Okay, so left side we can multiply, we can change the bracket. N into n is n square plus n. This 90 you can take to the left side, that is minus 90 equal to 0. Now we can find out the suitable factor using the product sum method. So the product is minus 90 and sum is 1. Okay, but what are the suitable number? 10, 9. 10 into 9 is 90. This here the sum is, but we need the product 90. So one of the factor is, product is minus 90. So one of the factor is negative. You see the sum is positive. That means greater number is positive. So we can choose as minus 9. Now you check it, 10 into minus 9 is minus 90, 10 minus 9 is plus 1. Okay, so we get the suitable factor. So we can write this, it is n plus 10 into n minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, that means what are the values of n? N equal to minus 10 or n equal to 9. Okay, now how can we write this? Which is the suitable value of n? Since n is the number of term, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. plus n cube, it is an increasing series and it is the number of term, so must be a positive number. Okay, so we can write, since the number of term n is positive, answer n equal to 9. Okay, are you all clear? The same procedure, same like the same question given in the fourth one. How many terms of the series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. should be taken to get the sum 14,400? They did not mention the last term. Okay, like this question, they did not mention the last term. They did not say how many terms. Okay, but we need to find out the n value. N value only the number of term. Like the same procedure, if you find the n value, you will get how many terms will give the sum is 14,400. Okay, so that question you complete as a homework. Fourth question you complete as a homework.